So, what's the competition like out there? Obviously, there's a few guys fighting for those starting jobs. And Derek Smith, you kind of rotate in. How would you describe the competition in the safety spot?
It's good competition. It's just making everybody else better on the field, not just the safeties. Everybody on the field, making receivers better. We got a great receiving core, making them better. We run into the ball, and we're just doing everything that Coach asked us to do from the beginning.
Amari, how do you feel different right now from last season even?
I guess I'm like a little older. Well, now I guess I am. I have a bigger responsibility, and that's just me. I have to come, every day, just like always, in the right mindset, and just do what I have to do to make the team better.
What can you say about Gervin and just kind of the relationship you guys have? He says you've been like a big brother to him, kind of helping him through everything he's gone through since getting here. What's that been like for the two of you?
I feel like everything like that we go through here is nothing is easy. Like nothing is easy here, and you need those people around you, and it's not just me, it's just everyone. Everyone is getting closer. Gervin, that is like my brother. We fight. We there for each other. We need one another, and it's just a bond, that a real brother, have. So like, we're not related, but that's like my brother, on and off the field.
Does it make it tough when you guys are that close and you're competing against each other, or is that, how do you separate that?
Well, when you look at it like how you're supposed to look at it, you're competing against yourself. You got to come out here every day and be better. And if you're not doing that, then you're not making the person next to you better. So if you have a day off and I'm stooping down to, his level, then I'm going to get worse. All of us are going to get worse. So it's not like just about competing against each other. It's competing within yourself to make yourself better and the guys around you better. And that's how a team gets better.
Amari, talk about Derek Smith and the move he's making this fall. He looks a lot better out there.
Yeah, Derek is having a really good camp. His hands have like a magnet for the ball. Every single day he's coming out getting his hands on the ball, and he's been making a lot of plays and making big steps in the backfield.
You and Gervin, I just want to know, are you roommates?
Yes, we are.
Amari, just the visor, just kind of what went behind that and what's that like, and your thoughts on that?
I really just put it on because I like it. There's nothing like really behind it. Champions get to decide what some of the stuff that they wear, and I just put it on. Some days I have it off, some days I have it on. I don't know. I guess it's just how. If it's on there and I don't feel like taking it off, then I just wear it.
What's the reaction been from your teammates when it's on that everybody's wearing?
No, I'm the same person.
No, what do they think of it? Do they like it?
Yeah, they like it. I guess it. Nah, never mind. But yeah, they like it.
Amari, are you bigger? Did you get bigger now physically? Like, what are you weighing? Body fat, all that physically?
Yeah, I'm around 200. Been getting faster, quicker, and that's really, props to Coach Feely and his staff. Like I said, nothing we do is easy. We come in, lift, nothing. We're in camp right now. We're still lifting the same heavyweight reps. We're just getting out there. Any way we could be better. Coach Feely has been doing a good job since he got here in January.
Have you made Feely do
Last
push-ups
question,
yet?
break.
Push-ups? No, not yet, but it's coming.
Awesome. Thank you.